What are management information rights? Or restated, what are specific information rights afforded to preferred shareholders, that is, individuals holding a preferred class of share in a company? Well, to begin with, it's simply a level of disclosure requirement. That is, the articles of incorporation, bylaws, and the default rules of any state require a certain amount of information disclosure to the owners of a company. Well, preferred shareholders oftentimes negotiate for a higher level of information disclosure. That is, they may want access to detailed committee reports. They may want access to detailed management information used in the decision-making process that otherwise generally wouldn't be available or disclosable to general shareholders or common shareholders. So the preferred shareholder negotiates these management information rights upfront as part of the issuance of the preferred stock. Now, these rights often are contained within a specific instrument known as a management rights letter. Now, the management rights letter serves a far greater function than simply memorializing the heightened information disclosure requirements to preferred shareholders. It also serves to solidify exemptions from certain ERISA provisions and the Investment Advisors Act. So what it does is it allows a certain amount of managerial authority to the venture capital company that's investing in the startup venture, and in doing so, it brings the venture capital managers into the management fold rather than simply having them outside as passive investors who are investing on behalf of third-party investors without any say in the governance or management of the organization. In doing so, this perfects an exemption from the ERISA and Advisors Act and converts the venture capital firm into what's known as a venture capital operating company, which again is exempt from those investment advisor and ERISA provisions. So this is very important, but for the purposes of this video, understand that in the management rights letter is where you'll oftentimes find the heightened management information disclosures that are owed to the particular class of preferred shareholder.